Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how I elevate my small kitchen space by using minimal decor on a budget. Yes, we all need to buy on a budget. First, I start by removing all old decor from the countertop and wipe off any dust away. If you ever watch any of my kitchen videos, you will see that I always do this light cleaning before bringing in any new decor that I have to put on the counter. After cleaning, I start by placing this square wooden board I bought from Home Goods, and then I added this one that I bought from Amazon. It's a 7-piece set. It comes with a 2 wooden spoon and a ribbon. Because I want to elevate the space, I have this canister and I wrap the ribbon around the canister and tied it into a beautiful bow. After that, I place another set of wooden spoons I bought from Amazon into the canister. After that, I place this decorative folding books on the side to give it a unique and elevated look. Because I don't want to clutter the space too much, I use minimal decor so the space will not be too cluttered. This beautiful fruit bowl, I bought it from Home Goods and also bought 2 small matching canister to go with it. Because I love to cook, I always have a cookbook in my kitchen. This cookbook, I bought it from Amazon also. In the other corner of the sink, I decided to change my dish rack. This beautiful dish rack I bought from Sam's Club. It was for $27. And I love that black and wooden touch to it. These decor, I have them already, but I just move them around, place them in different places. If you love my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I will put all the stuff that I have in my description box. Thank you so much for watching Life with Esther. Bye.